Hello, welcome to my house, welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda from Mexico and I'm very happy to have all of you again here on my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how you can make a simple, fast and beautiful gift for this St. Valentine's Day that is right in the corner. Look, is this frame that I crocheted. I use the material that I have left from previous projects, so you don't need to buy anything. With just this, the material that you have, with this stitch, you will have a frame for your portrait and you can frame the picture that you love. I add this little ribbon in the corner just to give a little touch. So it's very simple and you don't need to buy anything. You don't have to make something expensive for your loved one. The most important is that you make this project thinking about them. And well, I wanted to share this with you. I hope that you like it, and if you have any other idea, please let me know. Let's start. I will give you the materials that I use, and well, I will give you the step by step. Well, for this frame, I'm going to need 100 grams or less of the medium between bunky yarn, and I will use needles of number 5.5 or 6. It will be according to the yarn that you use. The yarn that I'm going to use is between medium and bulky, and I'm going to show you how I cast on. If you want, also you can make a stitch, a simple stitch with your hook if you don't like to use the needles. Okay, but in this case I wanted to show you with the needles. We are going to cast on 10 stitches like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now knit 2, pour 1, and then we are going to knit 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pour 1, and at the end knit 2. Now turn around and we are going to pass the first stitch without knit, like this. I'm sorry, I'm having a little chaos with the yarn. But well, you are going to pass the first one, then you are going to knit this one, and then the others you are going to knit them as it goes, okay? I mean, you are going to make it as it goes. So the first one here, you are going to knit it, then you are going to pour. As you can see here, you have this little thread in front. It means that you are going to pour. Again, pour, 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 and knit. Knit again, knit, and that's it. Turn around, and then this row we are going to make it as it goes, okay, as it shows. So we are going to pass the first one, knit. Here we are going to pour, knit, 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 and knit. As you can see, we don't have a thread in front like in this stitch, so we are going to pour here, knit, and knit. We are going to continue like this, and each 6 rows we are going to cross them. And okay, in this row I'm going to cross the stitches to create a braid, okay? So we are going to pass the first one, knit, pour, and here we are going, we are going to use the safety pin like this one, and we are going to take these 2 stitches and pass them through. Then we are going to knit these 2, and the other 2 we are going to take it like this. Okay, now knit, pour, and here, as you can see, we are crossing the thread and knit the last one. We are going to cross the stitches every 6 rows. We are going to make a long strip, remember, according to the frame that you are using. Now we are going to continue as it shows, okay, as it goes. Here we are going to pour, and like this, and we are going to go across each 6 rows. Well, so let's continue making this long strip for the frame that we are making, okay? And so far it has to look like this, okay? Remember that each 6 rows you are going to cross to make this braid, okay? So let's continue. It is very important while you are making this long strip, well, that you place them in the frame, and you are going to see how many rows you have to make and how many stitches you have to cast on, okay? So you don't have to reduce any stitches or anything. I'm going to show you later how we are going to make it to place this strip in the frame correctly, okay? Well, for now I'm going to show you how we are going to bind off. So we are going to take 2 stitches together, then we are going to come back with 1, knit them, come back with this stitch, knit, take 2, knit, and like this all the stitches. When you finish, you are going to put this long strip in the frame. You are going to use a little bit of glue, hot glue. I use the hot glue gun, and you are going to place it. The strip is very flexible, so you don't have to reduce any stitches. And here I cut and I use more glue, and here in the joint I put this ribbon, and that's it. So what do you think? So easy and fast, right? The ribbon that I use is also from another yarn that I have left, but you can place a heart or a message or something, and you can make more stitches if you want, but I think this one, it's easy and fast and it looks beautiful. You can make, remember that this is just an idea, you can make many ideas with this one, you can create more things. I hope that you like it, and please give me a like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave all your comments, and if you make it, please send me a picture, okay? And see you the next Wednesday for more videos like this one. Thank you so much.